Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guarantee RV. Thanks for taking the time to check out this video. Today we're going to go over a 2018, one of our last remaining. It's a Coachmen Catalina. It's the 291 QBS. We're going to start off going over the inside features and we'll finish up on the outside. Follow me in. Alright, welcome inside. It's a little bit of a dark day today, but I think we've got enough light here to show you what we've got. The main living area is quite large. We've got a super slide here with a sofa and a large U-shaped dinette. Across from that, we've got your kitchen with your 3-burner stove and your oven. And then you've got your nice Norcold here with these new handles. I love the way they open. You've got your nice 2-inch lip there. Microwave, cabinetry, nice countertop, 50-50 sink. So over here in the front we've got our entertainment center. This one doesn't have the TV with it, but it's on a magnet. This bracket is, which is real nice. You've got your all-in-one media player here, lots of storage, cabinet doors throughout. Real quick, we'll jump up into the main sleeping area, private. Nice storage here in the bedroom. We've got big cabinet doors for hanging stuff on both sides and storage up above the bed. It's actually got decent headroom too. A lot of the bedrooms feel almost like a cave. This one does have the storage over top, but it's good headroom for getting up at night. Come on into the back. We'll go over the extra sleeping area. We're going to head to the back of the trailer here. We've got a massive amount of extra sleeping in here. So we've got a bunk, another bunk up above that lowers down, and the dinette here makes into a sleeping area. So tons of sleeping in here. You've also got this door that you can access the outside. You can remove this table and you can bring large items in here. Coolers, bicycles, stuff like that. Rafts, kayaks, inflatable stuff. A little more storage here real quick. And that's actually hanging here. Large hanging closet and then 2 shelves here. So good for the kids staying in back. And then you've got a nice bathroom here centrally located. Little tub, shower, medicine cabinet, sink. Got everything you need. Alright, so we're going to go over the outside features now. Follow me. Here we are in the front of the trailer. We've got a nice pass-through storage that goes underneath the bed there. It's always cool to have that. You can put large items in there. Moving down the trailer, you can see up above we've got a large electric awning, outside speakers. This is the back of your refrigerator, your hood vent over your stove, and your water heater here. And this is your exhaust for your LP furnace. That gets hot. Be careful. Here we've got some additional outside storage. I will open up very quickly for you. Goes underneath that lower bunk in the back. So they're making some good use of storage. Manual stabilizers all the way around this trailer. Bumper here, full-size bumper, good place to store your sewer hose. It is pre-wired for a backup camera. Here's that door I was talking about that I would love to kind of show you real quick here. There's that table, but you can see the posts just pull right out of there and you can access the inside through this door. We've got our hookups all in one place. So fresh water, if you're going to take it with you, your city water if you're using it in a park, cable and satellite, and this is your 30-amp power cord stowed away right now. Down below, we've got our gray and black dump valves, so they're easily accessible right there. As we move to the front of the trailer, we have the back side of our pass-through storage, so we can get to it from either side here underneath the bed in the front. We do have 2 7-gallon propane tanks that we will fill. We also include 2 12-volt interstate batteries with any purchase, and a customer care kit. If you have any questions on this trailer or any of our RVs, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and have a great day.